Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Kids Candy, and today we're going to discuss about a person who was jailed for 141,000 years, 141078 to be exact. But before we begin, this is a very classified information for the Kids Candy channel. So if you are still not a subscriber, please click on that link below to subscribe to the channel. Now that you have subscribed or you have ignored that, let's proceed with the video. So today we are talking about Chamoy Tipiaso. That person received the world's longest sentence for corporate fraud according to the Guinness World Records 2006. Also the longest non-life officially confirmed sentence ever handed in the world. She defrauded more than 16,000 Thais in a pyramid scheme worth more than $204 million at that point of time. However, the Thai law at that time specified that those convicted of fraud could not serve more than 20 years. So Chamoy Tipiaso is an employee of the Petroleum Authority of Thailand. He is known for receiving the world's longest prison sentence of lifetime, and that was for 141078, 141,000 years in her involvement in the pyramid scheme that defrauded more than 16,000 Thais. Before we begin, let's discuss what is a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is something where you sit on the top and you recruit two persons below you. And you tell these two persons that if you join this scheme, you pay $500 each. These $1,000 goes to your pocket. And in turn, you ask these two people to recruit two more people each. And they recruit two more people. So 4 people in the third row. And these people tell the next level of people to pay $500. Out of this $500, 200 goes to the second layer and 300 goes to you. So every time the person sitting on the top benefits when an employee under him recruits another employee by asking that person to pay some money to join that scheme. So this is how the pyramid scheme goes. You are at the top and it goes down like this. Again, coming back to the story, it was before we reached the moon. In late 1960s, Chamoy Tipiaso started a cheat fund called the May Chamoy Fund, which was made to look like an oil share with high returns. Due to Tipiaso's connections with the Air Force and the Petroleum Authority, the fund was able to sustain itself for a remarkably long time. Connections to the military were a huge factor in political and business power, and so its apparent military backing made the scheme seem very legitimate. This drew somewhere around 16,231 clients and was not shut down till the middle 1980s. The fund had a large number of politically powerful investors from the military and even the royal household, and as such there were calls for the government to bail out the banks and the cheat funds. Now, after discussion with the king at that point of time, who was Bhumibol Adulyadej, the nature of which was not ever made public, the cheat fund was shut down and Chamoy Tipiaso was arrested. She was held in secret by the Air Force for several days, and her trial was not held until the losses for the military and the royal personnel involved had been recovered. On 27 July 1989, Tipiaso and the 7 accomplices were convicted of corporate fraud. She was sentenced to 141078 years of life imprisonment. But at that point of time, the Thai law stated that the maximum number that could be served for fraud was 20 years. But actually, she only served about 8 years of the sentence. Welcome back. Now, what do we learn from this? That if you make a fraud, if you gain somewhere around $200 million, you cannot be convicted for more than 20 years, and with some good behavior, you could be released much before that. So Chamoy Tipiaso got released after 8 years, had $204 in her pocket. Some funds were recovered for the royals and the militaries, but still had a good amount in her pocket, and she won the Guinness Book of World Record. She won the Guinness Book of World Record for the biggest fraud ever made in history. That was announced on 2006. Now, Chamoy Tipiaso was the person who was sentenced for 141078 years, but there were other names also who have been sentenced for an insane number of years. The next 3 people who were convicted of an insane number of years in prison, they were Koi Duan, Jamal Zugam and Emilio Suarez. All 3 were from Spain and they were convicted for 42,000 years. And the last person, Emilio Suarez, were convicted for 34,000 years. Okay, so if you found that interesting, hit the like button. If you did not find it interesting and you already knew that, hit the like button or the dislike button. Subscribe to the channel for more informations like this. Thank you. I will see you very soon next time.